Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to explore the world of emotions in a fun way. You'll learn how to use synonyms and antonyms to talk about emotions. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. What are synonyms? First, let's talk about synonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same or almost the same meaning. This way, you can say the same thing in different ways. Let's look at an example. If you feel scared, you can also say you feel afraid. Both words mean the same thing. Here are some more examples of synonyms. Happy and joy, excited and delighted, calm and peaceful. Can you think of other words that mean the same as nervous or excited? Pause the video and give it a try. What are antonyms? Now let's learn about antonyms. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite of each other. For example, if you feel happy, the opposite of happy is sad. So happy and sad are antonyms. Here are more examples of antonyms. Calm and angry, sad and happy, nervous and confident. Can you think of an antonym for tired or surprised? Try it out. Emotion Synonym Antonym Challenge. Let's play a game. I will show you an emotion and you have to think of a synonym and an antonym. Ready? Here we go. 1. Happy. Synonym, glad. Antonym, sad. 2. Delighted. Synonym, excited. Antonym, bored. 3. Peaceful. Synonym, calm. Antonym, confident. How many did you get right? You're doing great. Let's keep going. Now let's put it all together. I'll say an emotion and we'll find both a synonym and an antonym for it. 1. Angry. Synonym, mad. Antonym, calm. 2. Surprised. Synonym, shocked. Antonym, expecting. 3. Shy. Synonym, timid. Antonym, confident. Remember, using synonyms and antonyms makes your English more interesting and helps you express your emotions in many ways. Before we finish, let's do one last practice. I'll give you an emotion and you think of a synonym and antonym. Ready? Here we go. 1. Confident. 2. Excited. Take your time. You've got this. Great job, everyone. Now you know how to use synonyms and antonyms to talk about your emotions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to express how you feel in new and exciting ways. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.